911, what's your emergency? Bob, just at the, Steel Leaf Private Research Facility, he told us that, the mutants infected with Uncoha, the new virus that was just found out about, they escaped containment, and, they almost killed me. Or they almost killed Bob, so... yeah, I think this virus is gonna spread further if we don't do something about it. Oh, okay then. Well, we might as well activate the emergency alert system. That way we can alert everyone else in the city and any other area that's basically going to get infected if they don't find out about this. So yeah, I'll just go ahead and alert and activate that. Then we'll go ahead and, see how the virus does after that. So yeah. Thank you for your time, and yeah, we'll see how the situation unfolds. Just watching TV and chilling at my house. It's great. Well, I'm gonna go get some. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Gore City of the Gorebox County Police Department at approximately 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Mutants infected with the new virus Uncoha have escaped containment at the Steel Leaf Private Research Facility. At this time, all residents of the following counties, Gorebox, Goreville, Gore City, and anywhere in the east and southwest portions of Gorebox County must shelter in place. All residents in those areas should board up their windows and doors and make sure and carry a firearm on them. Remember, this should be a last resort in case the mutants break in. At this time, martial law is in effect until further notice or until an all clear has been given. Until an all clear has been given, all residents must stay in their homes and keep a sustained amount of food and water with them in case the shelter-in-place warning remains in effect and residents have to stay in their homes for a long period of time. Until we get more information about this situation, this situation must be contained. The emergency alert system has been activated. This message will repeat in approximately 15 minutes. Well, that sucks. Well, guess it's time to board up these windows with some furniture here, I guess. Oh boy, I don't need this bed. Guess we could use it. There we go. And then take this banner. And boom. And, yeah. I think I have enough food and water to last me a couple of days. Now, let's see the news. Go ahead and turn on the TV here. No signal? Seriously? I keep forgetting I keep forgetting that I don't have any service out here. I live way out in the country. There is no service out here, so... oh boy. Well, guess I'm gonna have to wait till further notice. Dude, I feel like we might have to, board or make sure the security is maximum here at the base. Cause, you know about that, Uncoha virus is spreading? I feel like we should find more about this virus and, how it affects the human body. Does that sound like a plan to you? Yep. I think we can get that done. Now let's get to work. Good deal. Next. I said next. Is everyone seriously going to leave? I guess it's closing time anyways. I'm gonna head home. Time to make the 50,000 mile walk ride home. Shit. Okay, after the check to see if I have enough food to sustain me a while, this house is pretty boarded up, so I don't think any zombies are going to get me. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Gorebox government. At this time, all residents must stay in their homes. The Gore Centers for Disease Control and Prevention has figured out what Uncoha does to the body. Once infected, Uncoha patients go through a series of symptoms. These symptoms include, but are not limited to, poison, dizziness, slow death, and, once infected, may not be able to go back into their original form. These are pretty much just like zombies, but on another level. Once infected, these infectees lose all memory, they are unable to open doors, they are unable to hold items, and once infected, their hands will come out, and when they try to infect a person, they have to hit them a series of times before they are also infected. This disease spreads really, really quick. So, if you have not already, make sure to seek a shelter, that being a home, underground, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. This may be like a tornado, but the government has considered launching a nuclear missile at the country itself, therefore causing widespread destruction and killing hundreds of millions of people. Firearms do eventually kill the infected, but they will attract more. So it's best to put a silencer on a gun. If you could find a silencer, or your gun already has a silencer, then you can use it. Silenced weapons have a lower chance of attracting zombies. If, at all costs, you can evacuate, you may do so. Find a fallout shelter, or if there is no fallout shelter, emergency services and police will lead you to one. Do not go to schools or anywhere you have family members. These public places have a plan to evacuate people. Once evacuated, put a white towel on a mailbox or any other visible area of your home to let emergency services know that you have evacuated. You have approximately 72 hours to evacuate. If you have already evacuated, evacuate out of the country, head to these, or you could head to one of the shelters. Routes to go to these shelters are Gorebox 1, Highway 72, Route 473, Highway 72, Gorebox 35, Gorebox City 121, Highway 427, and Highway 910. These highways and roads will all lead you to a shelter. If you have already evacuated to a fallout shelter or a military shelter, then you're good. Before evacuating, please make sure to bring all essentials, including non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, a battery power or hand crank radio with extra batteries, important medication, documents such as ID, and pets, as long as they're not infected with Uncoha. If you're infected or you have gotten Uncoha in some way, you will be shot to death or killed in other ways. The emergency alert system has been activated. You have approximately 72 hours to evacuate before evacuation is impossible. If you do not want to evacuate, be sure to shelter in place by blocking all windows and doors with furniture or any other material you have lying around. Seek shelter in an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building or a basement. This is because the nuclear missile will hit the country in approximately 72 hours. Once it's too late to evacuate, you will have to seek shelter. All devices if you are in the country, all devices will display a timer telling you how much time there is left to evacuate. It will go by hours, minutes, seconds, and milliseconds. Once you've evacuated, you will not have to worry about this. You can evacuate by vehicle, plane, or boat. The closest docks to major cities are the Gorebox City Docks, Gorebox County Docking and Boating, and any other private dock or public dock near you. If you have already evacuated, you do not have to worry about this alert. Get as far away as you can.
She's eating her candy. No, that's okay.
Okay. I'm in the middle of recording, so please. Anyways, once you have evacuated, you will no longer have to worry about the alert. Planes and boats will take you to everything land. If you have not already evacuated in the last minutes, K-Man will come over with a vehicle or a truck with an infinite number of trailers to pick everything and everyone up. If you refuse this, then you will deal with Uncoha and possibly die. This is the last activation of the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will not remain on the air. So, most stations will discontinue regular programming. This station, in particular, will continue regular programming until the nuke goes off. If you have refused Kitty Man's offer, then you will have to deal with the nuke and Uncoha. So, this is the last activation of the emergency alert system. The emergency alert system has been activated. God bless us, God bless you, and God bless us all. Well, I guess we're screwed. Alright then. Well, if I have to, I will get the hell out of here. Where's my car? Where's my car? Where's my car? Where's my car? You know what? I'll just call it over. There we go. Now let's start getting out of here. Safe place in mind. The radio doesn't work here. The only songs that work here suck. Whatever. We have arrived at Polar 6. Finally, the base of quote safety. Oh, I see the nuke. And the missile's heading over to the country. Okay, well, guess it's time to shelter. You know what? This shelter won't work. We can break through. Let's go up the tower here. They gave us a P90 before entering, so let's hope it's silenced or else we're gonna die. Oh boy. Well, we're at the place of safety here, or as they say. So I guess this is our only option if we want to live. So I'm just gonna place these down and make a little huddled shelter. Then I'm probably going to place down concrete above this, so that way we'll survive, hopefully. Then I'll probably board up these windows with the concrete as well to hopefully survive the blast. They said 72 hours, and I still have 24 hours before this bomb hits and kills us all, so I'm gonna hope that this tower is gonna be our place of safety because no one else is here, and I'm already boarding this place up with concrete, covering the windows. Hopefully this is enough to survive the nuclear blast that hopefully won't kill us all, if by all means that we don't die from the blast itself. If that were to happen, that is. Alright, well, all the windows have been boarded up with concrete, and so is the roof. So I hope this is enough to survive the blast. And cover up all these windows so that way we don't die from the radiation that breaks the blast, because the radiation is going to seep through the broken glass. That is, as long as we can get these windows covered up completely. I'm gonna make sure that this base is extra safe by placing down some more concrete. That way we'll ensure our safety here. Oh, and then here is another little gap, and bam! I guess we're done here. Nope, still one little, still two little itty bitty gaps. There we go. Oh boy. Still a little gap there. With nice concrete, and boom, we're done building the nuclear base. Well, that is our hideout. Okay. Okay. Place some more concrete down in the place of safety. And bam. Place of safety is done. Oh boy. Concrete finishings. This should completely and indefinitely keep me safe from our impending doom. This base of survival. And then here's an outside view of the whole thing. This place of safety is definitely a place of safety. And should be treated as such. And if this blast were to kill us all, which I feel like it might, kill us all, the extinction is imminent. And I'm probably gonna place another on the ceiling just to make sure that the ceiling is also indefinitely covered. Oh, and we have a bit of an issue with that little gap there that I should probably cover up and make sure that we're safe. Now I'll probably crouch down and place a old desk. Then go ahead and unlock though. Make sure it's high enough for me to go under it. And there we go. Now we're under our place of safety here. Oh boy, this blast shouldn't kill us. Boom! Boom, 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 boom! Boom, 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 boom! Boom! What was that noise? That was probably that explosion. Oh boy. I hope nobody else was outside when this happened. I'll go ahead and play down thing of music. Then play this. How do you 1 million lives and the destruction of the entire country. Only one person survived. The rest of all the times I've said every entity slash being thinking of any number possible, multiplied, copied, combined, versionized, and added in a number of any times, and duplicated, quadruple, sextuple, quintuple, miltuple, and dentuple times. Only one person survived. That person being Dragonauthor KYT, a fellow human that somehow survived the blast of an infinite times infinite kilomegaton blast in a watchtower at Polar 6. Oh wait, that was my phone. Who was that? The dragon off the cave. Can you hear me? Yes, I can hear you. What do you want? Yeah, this is Kitty Man. I just wanted to say you did a really good job at surviving Uncoha, but there's more to that coming soon, a part 2 near you. And that is Dragonauthor K saying that. And I'm gonna go ahead and see you later. Oh, this was a good first EAS scenario. And don't mind the very weird things. I mean, yeah, I tried to recreate it. Tones. Have you heard me? Tones. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little skit, and I hope it was good to use. But yeah, so there's a little backstory as to what happened. Let me tell you how this happened.